This Beko fridge freezer has an A+ energy rating, ideal for saving money on your energy bills. Frost-free technology circulates cold air throughout the freezer to prevent ice from forming. Maintenance is easy as the chore of manually defrosting the freezer is a thing of the past. Beko's freezer guard technology ensures that this freezer can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, so you can keep it in a garage or outbuilding, knowing that your food will stay safely frozen no matter how cold it gets. The antibacterial door sill has a special coating which prevents bacteria and germs from entering your appliance. Your fridge will stay cleaner and more hygienic, which keeps your food fresher and tastier for longer. With features designed to help preserve food, this fridge freezer will make a smart addition to your kitchen.